Hi guys, I am back with a Valentine's Day nail gel polish video. So I will be using colors from Nail Addict. They've changed their name to Nail Addict Reserve. I'm using the base coat, which I've already applied and cured for 30 seconds, Magical and Silver Addict, and I will also be using the no wipe top coat. So guys, hang out with me while I do this gel polish application. Now, I didn't plan on doing this video, however I did receive an email from Nail Addict. They actually have a Nail Addict influencer contest. So all you have to do in this contest for their influencers is to create a Valentine's Day nail design, integrate it into a YouTube video, and then I send pictures. So what Nail Addict will do on February the 11th, they will post a one question post on their feed on Facebook, and whoever gets the most votes by February the 15th will win 8 gel polishes, but you can't vote more than once. So guys, follow Nail Addict on Facebook, and when you see the picture of my mani, go ahead and vote, please, and thank you. You win 8 polishes. So if I do win, I highly doubt it though, but if I do win with 8 gels, I'm pretty sure I'll probably get some duplicates and I'll probably do a giveaway. But anyway, so guys, since they changed their name, I now have a different discount code. Well, it's really not different, it's still Curly Crite. You can use that for 50% off 2 or more gel polishes. So with your gel polish application, you want to apply it in thin, even layers, and then you want to use a nail brush with alcohol to remove excess gel polish from your cuticle area and side wall before curing in an LED lamp. And these are 30-second cure gel polishes that are nicely pigmented. You guys know I love me some Nail Addict gel polishes. I think they're the best as far as, you know, the pigmentation and the viscosity of the gel polish. I don't have any issues with the gel polishes at all. So after I've cured the second coat of gel polish, I'm going in with Poshy Nail Designs Love is in the Air water decals, and I'm using these. I know I had some issues with them being long, too short for my nail, since I kind of filed the length of my nails down, I can use them now. So I'm going to cut the 2 out that I want to use. I'm gonna apply one to my pinky and one to my thumbnail. I sprayed them with water, and I am removing the excess water after I waited a few seconds, probably about 30 seconds, sliding the paper off, and then I'm going to use the nail stamper to apply the hearts to my thumbnail. And it goes on nice, a lot of blank space in there, so you guys know I got to add something extra to it. And then the pinky nail is a full covered decal, and so I'm just applying that, trying to smooth the decal out. You have to be careful with these because they are thinner decals. And so I'm going to use acetone, and I have a thicker orange wood stick, and I'm going to dip that in acetone and try to melt the decal away. And then once I get that sealed, I will go in with a nail brush with acetone and brush away any excess that's on my skin. Okay, so can somebody tell me why I got that orange wood stick years ago from, I think, Sally's Beauty Supply? I was like, why is this orange wood stick so thick? Somebody tell me something. I guess it's hard to break, I'm assuming. But I'm just removing that excess decal as mentioned. And then we're going to go in and do some nail stamping. So what I'll do is, what I've started doing, especially when I'm using gel polishes, when I do nail stamping, I do like to go in and apply top coat, gel top coat, and cure. I applied base, and then top coat, and cured each layer for 30 seconds each. So I'm going in with my clear jelly stamper plate, and this is a Valentine's Day plate, and so I'm going to stamp some words on my thumb again, just to fill in that blank space, so that decal is kind of I don't even know what I'm saying, but just to kind of add some more to the nail. You guys know I got to be extra. Now that stamper, I was mad because I wish it was shorter. Like, I thought it was cute with a little heart confetti in there, but then it was kind of hard to pick it up on camera where I was stamping, so I end up switching over to my regular clear jelly stamper. But I had some excess polish on the stamper that got on my nail when I stamped the Be Mine text on there, and so I'm just using my cleanup brush and some acetone to remove that excess black polish off. And so I'm then going to go in, and I think I have a the next image I think I'm using is Love. So I'm just going to apply the black stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper and scrape at an angle, pick that up, and stamp it on the lower part of my thumbnail as well. And so that's about all I'm going to do on my thumbnail. And as far as stamping polishes go, I do use a lot. I have a lot of stamping polishes from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I also subscribe to the Maniology's subscription box, where you get 2 stamping polishes per month along with some stamping plates. So I do those are the main companies that I use for stamping: Clear Jelly Stamper and Maniology. And I do have discount codes for both. I'll link those in the description below. So again, I stamped the text. I thought it looked nice and filled in some of that blank space on the thumbnail. So I didn't want to leave my ring finger empty as well. You guys know I like to cover every nail with something. So I'm going in with the layered stamp. There's lips and then XOXO. So I'm going to stamp that on my ring finger in a layered stamp. After I did my ring finger, I felt like my pinky was left out in the cold because there was no black on my pinky. Even though I had the water slide decal on there, there was still no black. So I was like, I felt like I needed to add something. So I stamped Love, and I probably should have left it alone. However, I thought that black was really bold on that Love. The lettering was so thick. I didn't really care for it that much, but after I looked at the video, after I uploaded my content and I'm editing in iMovie, I was like, I should have left Love on there. So I tried stamping You and Me, didn't like that either. And so what I did off camera, I ended up stamping lips on there, and I think there's lips on that plate, you just can't see it. And I stamped them in black and pink, and then I end up top coating all the nails and applied a single rhinestone to the nails with the pink color or Magical. So guys, here is the finished look. You guys have to let me know what you think. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil. So guys, remember to like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. It is definitely free. So guys, don't forget to go vote on Nail Addict Reserve's Facebook page on February the 11th. I think February 10th or the 11th. So we'll see. So guys, thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Have a good one.